All right, so I actually had to go ahead and Google Hermetic principles just to be able to reply to this comment, if that gives you any indication of how familiar with the Hermetic principles I am. That said, disclaimer, that said, I do think that I understand why you might have thought that from just watching one video of mine, and that's completely okay. I take no offense to it or nothing like that. But I do disagree with what I've read now about the Hermetic principles. Specifically, this idea that all truths are half-truths, right? So Einstein actually, theorized something very similar in his theory of relativity, right? So Einstein theorized, doing this mental experiment, right? He theorized that truth is relative. All right, so all truths are half-truths. Einstein said all truth is relative. Kind of the same concept, right? Now, in order to prove this, Einstein did a mental experiment, right? So let's go through that real quick. So there's a man who bounces a ping pong ball on a ping pong table in a moving train, right? And he says that he bounced the ping pong ball in the exact same spot. Now there's a man that's watching this happen from the train station, watching the train go by, right? And he says, oh, hey, that ping pong ball bounced in two different spots. Well, something can't bounce in the exact same spot and two different spots, it can't. So somebody has to be wrong. Who's wrong? Well, Einstein actually theorized, and this is where kind of goes along with the Hermetic principles, that all truth is relative, that they're both right, because there is no actual absolute truth. That truth is relative. So they're both right. Luciferianism opposes this. See, we believe in absolute truth. So let's do that same thought experiment. Except this time we're going to put ourselves not only in both those people's position, we're going to put ourselves in the just free float. Maybe a bird was flying over it. And we can look down and watch it. Now, once you do that, you realize that you are now in your own figmented reality. This mental experiment, you are God in that experiment. You're pretending to be God. Right? And so, but once you become God in this thought experiment, there's something becomes very clear. Both of those people are wrong. The reality, the absolute truth, is that the ping pong ball bounced in the exact same spot on the ping pong table while also bouncing in two different spots of time and space. Take that, Einstein.